the government should move forward.
Haga jingelang beginong patai kubor kabala long mentah sengi ha kabaya day bagi jing balaya kendo diki Asha Myntri katanat ka Koit ka Khiah ikong amperin lingdo ila ong ba Shym ladon kanu ga jing Kular Siew Tulop Nongtrei Asha ha kapor ba la ai kam yaki kani ga jingkren kalami na kani ka Myntri kat ba ki Nongtrei Asha kilami ha ki surok bat kilinti singkin bandawa ya ka bai Siew ka ba khamha ikong lingdo ila ong ru ba kum Myntri ila le kat ba ila nakabenta kabha kamiat chongki.
Very clearly, engagement with Ashas from day one has been one of a voluntary nature. Nobody has promised any payments to anyone, and it has been made clear to every volunteer that they can come forward if they have time from their busy schedules, because Ashas are usually women. Whenever they had free time to contribute towards the improvement and upliftment of health in their own village. There was no promise of any salary. There was no promise of anything beyond the activities that an Asha is engaged with.